welcome to IndianExpress.com. We are here to talk about Bigg Boss November 8th episode. So yesterday we saw nominations, and nominations were more about evaluating friendship and relationships in the house, and we saw Manveer and Manoj standing up to it. But there's a twist to it, which Arushi is gonna talk about. Arushi, what do you have to say?
We saw that Manveer, even though Manveer shaved off his beard for Manoj to save Manoj from eviction, but Manoj once again nominated Manveer to sit on the throne. I don't understand why did he even nominated his friend Manveer, who has already done so much for him. But I suppose
even when there were too many people to be nominated.
There was Naveen, there was Lokesh. He could have nominated any one of them. Right. But then again he chose Manveer.
Which is weird. On the other part, we also saw a couple of people who have never been nominated in the past 3 weeks. They have been nominated for this week, which includes Rahul Dev. And even I think Naveen is also nominated.
Naveen is nominated because Nitibha didn't give up her makeup
for him.
Yeah.
So moving on, we also saw a cat fight yesterday between, of course, Lopamudra and Vijay Bani. What do you have to say about that?
I think it was there was some
misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, and Lopamudra had something in her mind against Bani. I don't know why she's targeting again and again Bani, because it was not Bani's fault yesterday. She misquoted Bani. She went to Naveen and Manoj and told them that Bani is talking ill about them. But nothing of that sort happened. But I suppose this is some strategy or some game plan of
Do you think
Lopamudra.
That she is jealous, or maybe has some fear against Vijay Bani? That's the reason she is.
That might be the case, because Lopamudra might be thinking that she has already won a reality show. She has already been a roadies winner. Being a roadie winner, she might have insecurities from Bani.
Which is weird, because apparently we see Lopa being more active, and her chances are stronger than Vijay Bani.
Yeah, till and now, her relationship with other housemates is even better.
I don't even understand why the fights do happen between both of them. But anyway, on the lighter note, we saw Vijay Bani and Gaurav talking about how it would be if Gaurav had to be married and a matrimonial ad has to be given on him.
Yeah, both of them were having a good conversation about it, and in the end we even saw Gaurav advising Bani to go light with other contestants, and instead of snapping at them, she should share her feelings with them.
But Bani is very private even now, so I don't know how much of time she's gonna take to break through her walls. Anyway, that's all we have for today.